Developing good reading habits is a gateway to intellectual growth and personal enrichment. Cultivating a routine of regular reading not only enhances one's knowledge, but also sharpens critical thinking skills. The key to a successful reading habit lies in consistency and diversity. Choose a comfortable and quiet space where you can immerse yourself in the world of books without distractions. Set aside dedicated time each day to read, whether it's in the morning, during lunch, or before bedtime. Making reading a part of your daily routine helps solidify the habit. Diversify your reading materials to broaden your perspective. Explore various genres, from fiction to non-fiction, and delve into topics that challenge your understanding of the world. This diversity not only keeps your interest alive, but also exposes you to different writing styles and ideas. Additionally, consider setting realistic reading goals. Whether it's a certain number of books per month or exploring a particular genre, having clear objectives can motivate you to stay committed to your reading routine. Don't be afraid to explore different formats, such as audiobooks or ebooks, to adapt to your lifestyle and preferences. Ultimately, reading is not just a hobby, it's a lifelong journey of exploration and self-discovery. Embrace the habit with an open mind, and you'll find that the more you read, the more you grow intellectually and emotionally. 1. Cultivating equals to foster or develop. 2. Routine equals a regular or fixed way of doing something. 3. Enrichment equals the act of making something richer or more meaningful. 4. Consistency equals acting or behaving in the same way over time. 5. Diversity equals having a variety of different elements or qualities. 6. Immerse equals to deeply engage or involve oneself in a particular activity or experience. 7. Distractions, things that divert one's attention from the main focus. 8. Solidify equals to make something more certain or established. 9. Diversify equals to make or become more diverse or varied. 10. Perspective equals a particular way of regarding or understanding something. 11. Challenge equals to stimulate or provoke thought or action. 12. Understanding equals comprehending or grasping the meaning or significance of something. 13. Motivate equals to provide a reason or incentive to do something. 14. Adapt equals to adjust or modify to suit different conditions or circumstances. 15. Lifelong equals lasting or existing throughout one's whole life. 16. Exploration equals the action of traveling in or through an unfamiliar area in order to learn about it. 17. Self-discovery equals the process of gaining insight into one's own character, values, and identity.